Hey everyone, Oldwolf's here. It's that time again for the train wreck. You know I pick up my books every Wednesday. I can't read them until I bag them, and I can't bag them until I show them to you. So here we are, and anything can happen, and it usually do. So just before I start, I'm doing the shout outs. Oh, I want you to. Oh, I can't. I need it. I can't cut off his head. Oh, look. Oh. How about that? Look at that. Look at that. That came right from Roax Studios. Look him up. Isn't he beautiful? All he needs is a beard. It's all he needs. Anyways, okay. My shout outs. Simple Simon, Captain Sarah, how you doing? Chris from Chaos and Comics. I miss you. I really miss you. And down below, I know there's you know, bigger channels doing a you know, raising money for cancer. Um, Down below, it's all. This is pediatric brain cancer. So any money that's raised um, goes right to that. Okay, that's done. Here I go. I got my books. I don't want this here. This is just the whole. I got my books. Not bad a week, huh? I got my bling bling. Oh, there you go. And I got my bags and boards. All right. First up, Batman 148. This is the last of the Zur arc, that he's been fighting. It's been a good arc. It's been a good read. This is the last issue. Hope this closes out. I haven't read it yet, so I hope it closes out the whole thing. I've been enjoying it. Sadowski's doing a great job as usual. So pick it up. Oh, gotta find the good thing. Also from DC, Poison Ivy. When I'm picking up Poison Ivy, it's just for the covers. This is the best cover, I think, of all the variants that came out this week. This is the best. Well, all the covers that came out from Poison Ivy this week. This is the best cover. Again, I don't know what's going on in the story. This is merely a cover buy. Now to Marvel. Uncanny X-Men number. What number is this? This is as you can tell, it's not uncanny. What the hell am I saying? This is Amazing Spider-Man number 51. Duh. Okay, but I've been picking up all the Disney covers. This is the Dazzler cover, right? So I'm not picking up Amazing Spider-Man. But I am picking up for the DC covers. So it's merely a cover buy. Oh, jeez. I'd kill me. Oh. Did it go through? Oh, wait a minute. Did it go through? Hold on. Got to fix that. If I don't fix it now, I'm going to fix it at the end of the show. So here we go. Boom. Okay. Great. Also for Marvel, Get Fury #2. It's a nice little mini series. It brings Frank Castle and Nick Fury together. But in this story, since Nick Fury's been captured, I'm pretty sure it's in Vietnam or that type of thing. Because he's such an important, is an asset with a lot of information. Frank Castle's been sent over to knock him off. So this is 2. First one was I enjoyed the first one. It's never too late to pick up #1 and #2. Now on to Image. Falling in Love on the Path to Hell. It seems like every channel out there on YouTube or on here on YouTube, everybody's picking this up. This is the book of the week, it seems like. I'm serious. Everybody's picking this up. Doggin's doing the writing. Brown's doing the art. Let's see if I can get some first names in this thing. I guess I can't. They're not showing. Oh, Gregory Doggin and Gary Brown is doing the story. And oh no, yeah. All right, so Doggin and Brown is doing the story, and Chris O'Halloran is doing the art. Anyways, this is the book. No matter if I can't read, this is the book of the week, and nobody's ready yet, but they picked it up. So if you could be losing out if you don't pick this one up. We'll see how it goes. Look at me doing spec. Who would have thought? Plus, this is the best cover all of them because it has that Star Wars look to it. Next one, from Dynamite, Space Ghost #2. So in the first one, Space Ghost comes in. This is where he meets Jan and Jace, right? And Blip. So I think #2 gives a little origin story to him. I'm the man. I was born in the '60s, so Space Ghost is like I used to watch it. So this is great stuff. So pick it up. Yeah, baby. Jan and Jace. And Blip. In the back of my head, I can hear the song right now. Also from Dynamite, completely a cover by, but it's a Frizen, Vampirella, #1, Dark Reflections. This is just a beautiful cover. Just a beautiful cover. That's why I picked it up. And I'm guaranteed if you don't pick this up, you're missing out. Ooh. There you go. And last but not least, the facsimile of the week. Mad #1. If this is history right here. If you're not picking up this facsimile, you're missing out. This is Mad #1. This is the book that started it all. You need to pick this up. I did. I'm telling you, you need to. Oh, there it is. We'll see them. Let's collection. I hate when they don't go through. Yeah. Boom. And this one, number 2. Make sure I see it. I know what I'm doing here. Okay. That's a Martina. That Space Ghost was a Martina. Done. They're in. There it was. Quick and dirty. How you doing? Thanks, everybody. Thanks for showing up. This is the train wreck. I mean, I could have just sat here and talk. But I think 11 minutes is pretty good, huh? Please subscribe. Please leave a comment. Thumbs up, thumbs down. I appreciate that. Please looking down in the description. There's a lot of people out in the description. A lot of channels. They're all worthy of you checking them out. So thank you. Thank you very much. Hope everybody get their books. And I didn't do it again. I don't know what's coming over me. I'm just not doing it right. You need to watch this. Hey everyone, Oldwolf's here.
How you doing?
I'm waiting for everybody to hop on. They're supposed to want to hop on. If they don't hop on, you're going to see a bald-headed guy with a beard with some glasses.
Yeah, I have a job. I provide.
Did Terry just pay $10 to see me dance?
Yeah. I have a job.
How you doing?
When you see the train wreck, it's just me, right?
Yeah.
It's just the way I do it.
How you doing?
You realize my wife's gonna disown me, right?
See ya. Hold on. I get. See ya. I'm still on.